Now in Titus 2, the older women are to encourage the younger women to love their husbands and love their children, but that's Fileo, not fillet your husband. It is a friendship love. She becomes exhausted, she becomes negative, she needs the encouragement of the older because she's just tired and she lets it go, she's negative. You know, women want the relationship, romance me, surprise me, make me laugh. Men say, I just want the relationship less negative. Can't we just have one day when everything's okay? That in the home, it's a negative, why? Because she's burdened. She cares. And it turns in, and then she's just serving, and then she has it. So you say to the kids, does your mommy love you? Oh yeah, she loves us a lot. See, that agape love. Yep. Does she like it? No, we've been bad. Bad. That's why we're on timeout. Hey, Harry, yeah, does your wife love you? Oh yeah. Does she like you? No, not today. Kind of like what the kid said, I've been bad.